Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. Again, today we're talking about Jotform. So I'm going to make this super smooth. Jotform is an amazing tool. It's just a really quick maker. I'm going to create a form. You can actually start from templates, and I haven't really seen that on really any other form builder. And that's really good for me because I generate a ton of random ideas, and I might be missing a lot when I'm creating a form to collect the right kind of information. So templates are awesome. But I'm going to start from scratch. We're going to go classic form. And then you can just start adding stuff. It's really smooth. So boom, I'm gonna add something like email. What is your email? Great. Maybe a phone number. What are your digits, bro? Trying to keep it cool. You can do a fill in the blank. I like this because you could probably create like a Mad Libs kind of thing. I don't know. This has more functionality and more, you can even do payments and more widgets than I've seen in really any other form builder. So it's the most impressive tool that I've seen so far. And it's nice and smooth. They even have a mobile app where you can make forms on the go, which I will totally be using for mobile websites that I build. And then you publish it. You can do whatever you want. You can preview the form on all different kind of setups. And this is especially useful for me because I use a lot of no-code tools. This Connect Jotform especially has worked really hard to build a lot of different integrations with like everything. So I would be using the Airtable one a ton. I could create my own calendar sign up with the Google Calendar. I could do a ton here. And then you publish it, you copy the link, and you're ready to go. So I really like it. I think it's the smoothest tool that I've seen out there for forms. And it has the most functionality. And it's free. Up to 100 submissions, and they give you everything. So I really dig it. Would love to know what you think. I'll see you in the next episode.